Early this year, MOFT Invisible Laptop Stand had become the most funded laptop stand, receiving thousands of positive feedbacks. Today, we are excited to introduce two new inventions. The MOFT X stand for phones and tablets. Be careful, using them can be kinda addictive. We start with MOFT X phone stand, the thinnest magnetic wallet stand that has all the functions that you need. With the gold vertical angles that supports all your daily tasks. Browsing, video chatting, unlocking, playing, all with a breeze. The 60-degree lifting angle is perfect for reading without moving your neck. And the triangle contact surface ensures the phone stand in a much more stable posture than any other stands. No more looking down, no more reaching and holding, no more finger cuffs. Your hands and fingers are now all liberated. Want to watch a movie? Rotate it. Feel like going out? Take the cards and slide it into your pocket. Not like this, but this. We also found the removable glue that's not going to hurt your phone while still being tough and strong. With holding grip, you will still feel 100% safe holding a really big phone with just one hand. With a magnetic pad, you can attach it anywhere. Driving? Cooking? In the bathroom? We got you covered. You will not go back to the old days. Next up, MOFT X Tablet Stand, the lightest and most adjustable tablet stand available on the market. We minimized the weight of the average tablet stand and crafted 8 angles through all directions to create a more versatile and user-friendly product. The vertical 60-degree angle provides a natural position for reading, and the horizontal positions allow for watching movies or sketching. It also comes with a holder for your Apple Pencil. Click to easy store and charge. The best part is it only weighs a third of current tablet cases stand, but is still strong and stable. It's not going to add extra strain while carrying it around or holding it. Less items to carry, lighter weight to hold, and more comfort to your body. That's how we wanted MOFT products to do. Make our life easier, more simple, and more concentrated. Support us now from today.
Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultrabook U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart DeadBolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the Ultrabook Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The Ultrabook U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your UBolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
UBolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
I'm just a guy standing in front of you, asking you, have you seen my keys? No? And you never will. With KeyWe, your lock opens with a simple passcode. No key needed. Store up to 20 different passcodes depending on your needs. And KeyWe is also Bluetooth operated. It uses low-power Bluetooth to automatically unlock when you approach. And then relock after you've entered. Here's the problem, you might say. What if the power goes out? How will I get inside? KeyWe Smart Lock also comes with a physical key for emergencies and millennial nostalgia. And your doors are protected by ANSI Grade 2 DeadBolts, keeping out unwanted guests during a blackout. Even during the purge. And KeyWe keeps a record of everyone who's entered my home, sending push alarms to my cell whenever someone opens my door. Perfect for going out of town. But what will that mean for my guests? This is Tim. Right now, he's at my office, even though I'm not. Since I can control multiple KeyWe locks with a fabulous app, I can let Tim into my office from home. I can also send Tim a one-time passcode, so he can let himself in.
What about long-term guests?
Long-term guests are easy with the KeyWe guest fee. I can schedule an event so that my friends have free access during their stay. My guests can let themselves in, and the key expires after their stay, making it perfect for Airbnb. And when I say that KeyWe is smart, I mean it. KeyWe connects to your other smart appliances and services because it's compatible with Z-Wave. This means that KeyWe connects to home hubs like Alexa and Google Home. Let's say that my friend Tim forgets to lock the door after he leaves. I'll get an alert from my hub and lock my door remotely with the app. KeyWe can be the first appliance to alert your hub at your home. But what if you don't have a hub yet? Then use Wi-Fi to connect your phone to KeyWe, whichever and whatever way you need KeyWe to be. KeyWe is a smart appliance that works with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave. KeyWe, a seriously smart door lock.
Every year in the UK alone, almost 50 million litres of wine are poured down the plug hole. That's a massive £270 million down the drain. You know how it is, you crack open that one last bottle with friends the weekend, and then the rest ends up on your kitchen counter for 3 days, exposed to oxygen, and your vino turns to vinegar. Sure, there's wine preservation devices out there, but they're either ineffective, as the wine is still in contact with some air, or expensive, and you're tied into pricey refills. Which got me thinking, there had to be a better way to preserve your wine's full flavour, no matter how much you had left. So I came up with Etor. Simple, elegant, and it really works. Here's how. Decant your whole bottle into Etor. This opens up the wine and brings out its character. Pour yourself a glass, the sharp lip gives drip-free pouring. But then here's the magic. Push down on the neck and the unique patented design forms a complete seal, preventing any further contact with oxygen to preserve your wine's full flavour. Ideally, store Etor in the fridge to keep both white and red in perfect condition until you decide it's time for another glass. Then simply tip Etor and the innovative valve automatically opens as you pour. No gases, no pumping that can strip wine of its flavour, just good practical design. To test its preservation capability, we took our prototypes to the laboratories of Bangor University.
We tested Eto against leaving wine in a cork bottle and a number of other well-known preservation solutions. The results were indisputable. Eto far outperforms them all.
I was really amazed, and I have to say surprised, when I first tried it. I couldn't believe that a wine which had been decanted into it 7 days beforehand tasted every bit as fresh as a wine which had come from a recently opened bottle. But it also had the added benefits of decanting in that the wine was breathing, it was opening up, it was tasting absolutely delicious.
We've built over 60 prototypes tested to achieve the perfect seal and simplify Eto for easy cleaning and assembly. It's also been designed for durability, and all materials are of the highest quality, all rigorously tested to ensure they have no effect on the wine's flavour. We're a self-funded startup, experienced in product development, but we now need your help to bring Eto to market. The manufacturers are ready to go, so choose your reward, and by pledging, you'll be one of the first to enjoy perfect wine every time and never waste a drop again. Cheers!